7 AI Side Hustles That Make $100 Per Day in 2025. You're living in the most powerful era for making money online, and most people are still stuck in the 9-to-5 mindset. AI isn't just the future, it's the now. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI-powered side hustles that can earn you $100 a day or more in 2025, even if you have zero experience. Number 1. AI Content Writing. First up, AI Content Writing. Tools like Copy.ai and Jasper can help you create blog posts, product descriptions, and emails in minutes. Businesses are paying freelancers to generate content, fast. If you master prompts and deliver quality, you can easily make $100 plus a day. Number 2. Voiceovers with AI. Platforms like Luvvoice let you create professional audio using AI. You can offer voiceover services for YouTube videos, ads, or even audiobooks, without ever speaking a word yourself. Number 3. AI Video Editing. Tools like Runway ML and Pictory automate editing, subtitles, and B-roll. People are building full YouTube channels or offering freelance editing using just AI, and making bank. Number 4. AI Image Creation. AI-generated images with PicLumen or Midjourney. You can create custom images for content creators, book covers, or ads. Offer packages on Fiverr or social media and charge for high-quality digital artwork. Number 5. AI Course Creation. Create online courses using AI. Use ChatGPT to generate lesson plans, and tools like Synthesia to produce full videos. Upload to sites like Gumroad or Teachable, and earn while you sleep. Number 6. YouTube Automation. Faceless YouTube. Use ChatGPT for scripts, PicLumen for images, Canva for editing, and Luvvoice for voiceovers. Post weekly and build passive income through ads and affiliate links. Number 7. AI Art plus Print on Demand. Finally, create AI-generated art and sell it on t-shirts, posters, and mugs with print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Etsy. Combine unique art with trending niches for maximum profit. AI is making it easier than ever to earn money online, but only if you take action. Which hustle are you starting first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money and mindset content.